Icahn's letter to Apple and to Tim Cook is out, and basically, what is it? The market misunderstands and undervalues Apple, and I think he, once again, though, is he not calling for we would meaningfully accelerate and increase the magnitude of share repurchases. What do you make of the whole?
By the way, you own about 1.2 million shares of Apple, don't you?
Yeah. We bought it at much lower prices. Look, it's very complicated. We think the stock's about 20% undervalued. We like it. We still own it. But this magic of just buying back stock and retiring stock in a high technology business where things are subject to change. My first job out of college, I worked for Xerox Corporation as a quality control engineer. And I noticed how Xerox put American photocopy out of business, and how more recently Apple and Samsung really did severe damage to BlackBerry, RIM. And, technology is a double-edged sword. And how much leverage they should have and how much stock they should buy back, I'll defer to management. But, there's nothing out there on the horizon that's nearly as profitable as the iPhone.
Yeah.
And I think this company has to reinvest for the future and have new products. So, I love it. Carl's to be admired and respected. He's got a great track record.
Absolutely.
But I'll let the management do the heavy lifting, and I'll go along with what they want to do at this point in this particular company. I have other companies I can.
I don't see what's new here, but he's basically saying, look, the conclusion: this is not intended as a criticism of you as a CEO. Nor is it intended to be critical of anything you or your team are doing from an operational perspective. Quite to the contrary, we couldn't be more supportive of you and your team and the excellent work being done at Apple as you continue to change the world through innovation. But given the earnings growth we forecast, we continue to think that the market misunderstands and dramatically undervalues Apple, and the excess liquidity that the company continues to hold on its balance sheet affords the company an amazing opportunity to take further advantage of the valuation disconnect by accelerating the repurchase of shares.